And more on hoops now to the COVID-19 vaccine. Jumping through hoops there. We've paid a lot of attention to teachers. But what about the other groups in that second group, that group 1B? What about them? CBS 2's Jim Williams reports not everyone in that group is getting the shots.
There had been concerns at the Pacific Garden Mission. When would they get the COVID vaccine? Would the homeless actually be a priority? The mission's president, Pastor Phil Kwiatkowski.
You're dealing with a population that is vulnerable. And so when the rollout was slow, we're wondering, are we going to be last?
The men and women they serve and the Pacific Garden Mission workers are in 1B, the second group to get the shots. Tuesday, a team from the Lawndale Medical Clinic vaccinated 150 people here, which they celebrated on this poster board.
And the response was absolutely amazing. I was just so touched by so many of the stories that I heard. One guy just stopped me and said, "This place is amazing."
First responders are in 1B too. The Chicago Police Department tells us its officers are now getting the shots, vaccinations facilitated by the department. The Chicago Fire Department says 1,000 of its members have had at least the first shot. 500 have received the second dose. Department spokesman Larry Lankford adding mobile teams are crisscrossing the city and will vaccinate other public safety workers as well. But we do see evidence of the vaccine's slow distribution. Keith Richardson, president of the union local that represents Chicago postal workers, says while his members have been able to make appointments for the vaccine, they have not yet received the shots. Does that concern you?
It concerns me to the standpoint because we're essential workers. We're coming to work every day. We are exposed to the, more to the elements like anyone else. And our workers should be at the front of the line as well as like healthcare workers, teachers, CPD. We all fall in that category.
We called the Postal Service. A spokesman tells us they're working with federal, state, and local health officials to make sure they get the vaccine to those who sort and deliver our mail. We're live, Jim Williams, CBS 2 News. Marie?
Jim, thank you.